I have my micro braids in for approximately 12 weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Labelle giving you an update on the hair growth challenge that has been going on. On 2nd of February, I announced an hair growth challenge, and I told you guys that I would update you as to what I was doing, but to be honest, I was caught up. I had a lot of things doing, so I chose the easier videos to upload. So today we're going to talk about the hair growth challenge that has been going on. I have my micro braids in for approximately 12 weeks. I installed them in January, the second week in January, and I still have them in. So I'm just going to share with you what I've been doing. To be honest though, I did not intend to keep them in this long, but as I said before, I have been caught up. I have so many things going on for me right now. I have my micro business, and I am my own manager, my sales rep, just about everything. So I have been caught up taking care of my kids, keeping house, the whole work. So I did not intend to keep them in this long, but I have them in, and it's a win-win for me. I just know that I need to be careful when I'm taking them down, but it's a win-win for me. What I have been doing, I have promised you to share with you what I have been doing, but what I have been doing is nothing different from I've shared with you before. I make sure that I use my liquid, whether it is my aloe vera juice, my hibiscus juice, my cloves, whichever one it is. I use my liquid, I use my oil, my butter, and I use my leave-in cream. But what I have been doing differently though is I try to do it every night. I might not add a lot of oil and butter each night, but I make sure that my hair is moist. Reason being, I wear it out like this, and I want to make sure that in the nights I braid them. So I put them in braids. I put the micro braids in bigger braids for my maintenance, because in the morning I would take it down and I just like the curls that I get when I have it out. So the only reason why I do it every night is, or every other night, is to get the curls, and it also keeps the hair stretch, because you know you have the style in for over 2 months. It is going to look distressful. So just to hide those frizz and to let my hair have a little pop to it, I do my maintenance every night or every other night. It depends, but mostly every night. You don't have to do it every night. I'm just sharing with you what I have been doing. I am excited. I really want to take it down. I want to see my progress, and I am also nervous at the same time because it is the first time I am keeping in my micro braids this long. So I am excited to see my growth. I am going to share with you how I take down these braids, because I know some of you are nervous for me as well. I shared a short on the channel, and guys, you can see where the hair has knocked. Normally I would add some rubber bands to the root, but I did not get a chance to, because each time I was saying that I'm going to take it down, I'm going to take it down, and then I just did not get a chance to do that. So I am nervous. I am also excited. I am going to share with you my process. So keep your fingers crossed that they will give me the desired result. But I would say to you though that if you're going to keep your braids in for an extended period of time, make sure that you do not do micro braids. Reason being, micro braids, the size matters. So with micro braids, they are very small. So when you're taking it down, you have less hair to work with. While if you do your regular box braids, then you will be able to have more hair when you're pulling it apart. So you'll have more hair to play with. And I think that the knots would not be that hard to pull out. So I'm going to share with you what I am doing when I'm taking it down so you know exactly what to do. Guys, if you found some value in the content shared, please leave us a comment. Let us know your thoughts. And I'll see you on the other side. Take care and walk good.